In the workplace, giving feedback is a normal part of communication. Whether praising good work or suggesting improvements, clear and polite feedback helps people understand expectations and keeps communication professional. Positive feedback shows appreciation and motivates colleagues to continue their efforts. Phrases such as, "Good work on this task," or "I appreciate your effort," acknowledge contributions directly. More specific praise often has greater impact. Saying, "This part is well done," or "You managed your time well," shows that particular achievements have been noticed and valued. Corrective feedback is equally important, but requires care. Focusing on the task rather than the person keeps feedback constructive. Expressions like, "You can improve this area," point out changes without assigning blame, while "You met the goal, but let's try for more detail," acknowledges success and identifies the next step. Feedback can also highlight progress over time. Saying, "You're improving step by step," or "Keep up the good work," encourages continued development. Clear, respectful feedback supports improvement and maintains positive working relationships.